Hey guys, today we are going to talk more about the TikTok application and we will show you how to make your TikTok name with emoji. So let's go to this app. As you can see, we are on our profile page and right now we need to tap on the edit profile feature. As you can see here, we have two different options, name and username. Unfortunately, you cannot add emojis to the username, but you have a cool option to manage your name without any problems. So let's go to this section after tapping on the first arrow here. And I will add some emoji. For example, I don't know, this one. Later, let's tap on the save feature at the bottom of, at the top bar of the screen. Wait a minute. And let's check the result after updating, but we can see it now, right now. Perfect! No problem, but unfortunately you need to remember that your username cannot have any emojis. So guys, thank you for this watching. Don't forget about likes, don't forget to subscribe to our HardReset.Info TikTok account, and good luck!